What's up everyone? Welcome back to another day of building Loot District in public. Today is day 6 and honestly we shipped an insane amount of stuff. Like this thing went from a side project to actual store real quick. Let me show you everything. Admin security. The first thing, the admin panel was completely exposed. Anyone could just type admin and mess with my products. So we built a proper authentication system. Now when you try to access the admin, boom, login wall is coming up. Session based, secure, and only I can get in. Once you're in, you can always go and edit and delete the products from the GUI. Now before, those buttons were just disabled, fake buttons, not anymore. Now I went into a dark theme and UI fix too. This was a problem because if you look at this, the shop page had this beautiful dark theme, but when you click on a product, it was white. So the cart page again white, the login page again white, and the profile page white with mismatched buttons. So that completely changed. It looked like 5 different people built 5 different websites and glued together. So we unified everything. Every single page has a dark theme now. The side navigation is the same, and it has the same footer as well. Now the checkout button too, I have improved that. And mobile responsiveness, this is something that I checked on my iPhone 13 mini and it was bad. The CSS had the breakpoints for tablets and desktops, but not for the phones. The product grid was cramped, so everything had to be built. And now with Apple's recommended size, which is 44 pixels minimum, the touch targets are also adjusted accordingly. Now it looks good on my mobile phone now. Product images, again, I do not have the inventory yet. It's still in the process. So what I did was I looked into some links that I could get from the internet, those one splash links, which is again available as general public license. That's something that I've done, and matching up with the slug, I downloaded those and updated the database. The email automation is done. So I've integrated with Brevo SMTP for transactional emails, and when someone places the order, we get the confirmation email and also get the admin notification at my email addresses. The Stripe webhook also was done. I've added the newsletter subscription at the bottom of the page. Enter your email, it saves to the database and notifies me. Simple and effective. And then I added the pre-launch splash screen such that you guys do not order it right now because the site is not yet operational, still not integrated with the payment system. And the site will be launched on 21st of June 2026 at midnight Edmonton time. It's got 3 backgrounds, video backgrounds that are alternate every 15 seconds, and a sound toggle button just in case you need to unmute. If you want to listen to the message, you can do that. And there is a 20% off discount for early access badge. You can go ahead and order, and based on the first 50 people registering or ordering, I can give you some 20% off on the marked price there. And the authentication is also fixed now. You have multiple email addresses that you can log into there. And what's next? So we are now into more like SEO optimization. Then you'll have a product search features, related products, and then we go live and be ready for the switch to production, which is going to happen on the 21st. I'm going to add shipping rates too, and then actually start selling. So please do know, how do you feel about the site? And I'm always ready for feedback and looking forward to hearing from you. That's all for day 6 wrap up. Welcome again to lootdistrict.ca.
Get ready, Canada! The ultimate hype-tonation is coming soon. Score exclusive anime keychains, epic sticker packs, rare blind boxes, and premium sneaker care. Unlock the loot at lootdistrict.ca.